My dear friends, see how quickly time flies. The year 2025 is drawing to a close, and this is my final video of the year. First of all, I wish to extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Your kind support has helped this humble channel cross 140,000 views and many likes across my around 200 motivational, informative, and inspirational videos. I feel truly blessed and grateful. Secondly, I want to take a moment to wish each one of you and your loved ones a healthy, happy, peaceful, and successful New Year 2026. May this year bring new energy, new inspiration, and new opportunities into your life. I love the quote of famous American law professor Michael Josephson, which contains an excellent message that approach the new year with resolve to find the opportunities hidden in each new day. In this video, I want to share 5 very simple yet powerful tips for 2026. Drawn from my personal life journey of several decades and from observing the habits and mindsets of successful people around the world. And I want to emphasize that I personally follow all 5 of these tips. So let's start. Number 1, self-care and focus on priorities. There is a famous saying that you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. In 2026, make yourself your top priority. It is essential. It's not selfish. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. Make time for rest, good sleep, healthy food, exercise, medical checkups, and moments of peace and enjoyment. If possible, travel and explore. Take scientifically proven supplements if needed for longevity and vitality. Pamper yourself within your budget because you are worth it. I love the quote of Arthur Ashe, the famous American professional player, that start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. As for priorities, follow the 2000-year-old tip by famous emperor and philosopher of Roman Empire, Marcus Aurelius. He said, make 2 lists. 1, things under your control, and second, things outside your control. Focus all your energy on first list and let go of list 2. You will feel more empowered, less stressed, and far more productive. Number 2, review 2025 and set goals for 2026. Tony Robbins, American author, professional speaker, says, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Take some quiet time to reflect what worked well in 2025 and what didn't. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Learn from your setbacks without blaming yourself or anyone else. Henry Ford very well said, failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Now set new goals for 2026. Personal, family, health, finance, hobbies, and break them into doable steps. The most successful persons didn't wait for perfect conditions. They started with their dreams, made plans, and took consistent action. Whether it is improving your health, building a new skill, or reconnecting with family or friends, write it down and commit to it. Number 3 is review your relationships. Always remember the quote of Oprah Winfrey. that surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. And New Year is the perfect time to pause and reflect on the people in your life. Ask yourself who truly brings me peace and joy, and who adds stress or negativity in my life. As someone wisely said, you don't have to attend every argument you are invited to. Choose carefully where you invest your time, energy, and emotions. It's okay to let go of toxic, one sided, or draining relationships without guilt on the first day of New Year. Life is too precious and short to carry the weight of connection that don't appreciate, respect, or support you. Instead, cherish those who genuinely care, lift you up, and bring out the best in you. Invest deeply in those relationships. They are the true treasures. Number four, commit to reading and lifelong learning. I love the quote of Albert Einstein that once you stop learning, you start dying. Reading and learning are food for the mind. Whether it is books, podcasts, courses, or documentaries, feed your brain with fresh ideas, knowledge, and inspiration. Someone very well said, readers are leaders. The more you learn, the more you earn in knowledge, joy, and wisdom. Make a simple goal to read a certain number of books in this year. Even one book every month can transform your thinking. Try topics like personal development, history, spirituality, or anything that excites your curiosity. Stay mentally active, no matter your age. Number five, love all, hate none, and practice kindness. The Dalai Lama says, be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. The most important human value is kindness. In 2026, let's all promise to replace hate with love, grudges with forgiveness, and judgment with understanding. The famous Greek philosopher Aesop said, no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Do something good every day. Even a small smile, a kind word, a helping hand, or a generous gesture can change someone's day or even life. Support a cause, donate, volunteer, or guide someone. If someone hurt you, forgive and free your own heart. Do good silently, like water that nourishes everything and moves on without waiting for applause. I love a quote by some Buddhist monk that let's fill our hearts with our own compassion towards ourselves and towards all living beings. By doing good and radiating positivity, you don't not only heal the world, you heal yourself. Goodness always returns manifold. My dear viewers, that's all from me for this year. I sincerely hope these 5 tips inspire you, help you grow, and make your 2026 more meaningful and joyful. Let's welcome the new year not just with celebration, but with reflection, purpose, and kindness. I conclude this discussion with a quote of famous American philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson that write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Leave your comments and suggestions. I love reading them. And don't forget to click the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you once again for your love, support, and for watching this video. Wishing you and all your loved ones a very happy, healthy, and successful New Year 2026. Stay blessed, stay kind, and never stop growing. Thank you.